Dem don arrest one Lagos businesswoman because of say wetin dem say dis woman pour hot water on top of her sales girls. Hey, make I come see as dis girl face even be. Dis woman wey dey talk say she be Alaja Rashidat Adeleke, na be dis woman name and dis woman dey say she be 50 years old woman. 50 years wey be say she suppose act like mama, na im dey do dis kind thing. The whole matter, dey talk say dis woman get one shop for Ikotun. She get supermarket wey she dey run. And dis girl wey be her sales girl, they say dis girl name na Bukola Akinola, say dis girl na 29 years old. Na dis girl na im dey help her run dis shop Say dis woman now, dis girl don dey work with dis woman since 2019. Na im dis girl don dey work with dis woman. And as the matter be, because of say okay, transport cost, so dis one happen, the woman come say okay, make dis girl come dey follow am leave. And as we hear am, they say since when dis girl dey follow dis woman leave, na so beat and abuse na dis woman dey always give to dis girl. Any small thing, madam go don flare up, dey vex say wetin make the girl go do like dis. But the girl still dey endure because of say wetin she dey live with dis woman. Now dis one wey come cause the whole wahala, small thing wey cause dis wahala na because of bangle. I come dey even wonder, maybe the bangle na another English, maybe I come carry phone even google dis bangle. I come see and say na bangle wey dey wear for hand na im cause dis whole wahala. She talk say two of her sales representative wey dey be 10 years old and 14 years old. That one sef shock me. E give me heart attack. 10 years and 14 years old. Shebi dey suppose dey school. They come dey for supermarket, dey help you sell market. That one no even be the wahala. They say they fight na from the fight na bangle come go break As they come reach house na our Alaja. In fact, the Alaja thing make I even comot am. Because I think say as I dey small, they hear saying people wey dey go Mecca, wey dey call Alaja, na people wey get pure heart. And if you no get pure heart, you no go fit go this place. But as this woman go, come back, still can't get this evil mind. In fact, that Alaja suppose comot. Say as they reach house, na there Madam Rashidat come as I say, okay, how this bangle take spoil? And now they look say this sales girl will be 29 years old. This Bukola, she don't want implicate in this student. She can't talk say she no know. Say now there this madam vex. Carry this girl, enter inside kitchen, lock the door. Say as she lock the door, she can't ask them these two small representatives say, she hot water day. Those ones say hot water no day. They say now there this woman. As she lock this girl inside kitchen, start to the bitter. Can't get time, go boil hot water. Not be water where I know they talk of warm water where you go use the water where they come more smoke, where they just even off gas on top, go boil them, come pour them on top of this girl head. Hey, human being, you do this kind of thing and you dey okay. They say after she come pour this water, the matter no end there. You see that the thing they even shock me. The matter no end for there. She start to the beat this girl. She can't go boil second water. If they see this woman being, she go boil second water, come pour again on top of this same girl. Say na there this girl come faint. And as she faint, she no even still pity this girl. Na there she see the beat. Ha! Woman being. On her matter, they surprise me. What person wey be Alaja go fit do this kind thing? Person wey be Alaja go fit do this kind thing? A surprise when you go carry a whole human being, pour water for him head, and you no even do you anything, you no even feel anything. This thing over surprise me. But as it be, this girl face don't even burn. And I don't see this girl picture now. See as her head, everything don't burn, peel come out. This woman now, what did she want talk say she do? But as the matter be, they talk say, Directorate of Citizen Rights don't give law, say, make them prosecute this woman. Me, I wish that they will even give this woman better law. They go even pour that hot water back to her body. If for even sweet me, because this way this woman do, it's no good at all. You do this kind of thing for your fellow woman, and you don't even pinch, you don't even move. The time when you used to go boil that second water, it don't even reach you to calm down. Whatever the thing, how much be bangu? Even if this thing are gold, this thing are bangu, ordinary bangu, now they keep person for. If say na your own pikin, you go fit do this kind of thing for them. Now what? And some people, not be even only this one. Some people will say they get people as house help, they are worker. Now so they go mistreat people like say they be animal. This one now see happen the kind law. In fact, I dey wait for the kind law where government go give this one because the thing they vex me. The thing no good. And if no be say work no even dey for our country. What in 29 years old lady they go do as house help, as sales girl? How much they want they pay am? Last 15,000, 20,000. What did she even use that money do? The money to even small. So tell you can't destroy her face. And she said she go look and say, because she dey stay with the woman. And they say as this woman pour this water, she not be say she not try to escape, but she try. But this woman, she don't lock everywhere. So this girl no see her, she won't take move. And I see as people wicked, and I see the heart of man. Later na go say, I wan go keep in a small pikin for woman being place, make the woman dey take care of her as house girl. Make na use this one learn, no be only small pikin dey maltreat now. See person wey don even grow, gather everything, and they still dey maltreat like this. E mean say people wey dey maltreat people, they no dey look face. Anyhow wey you be, they go give am to you. Now this matter now, here I want say make I bring am come on our side, make na sef hear wetin dey happen for this our Nigeria. As the matter be, now here I go end am. Make na no come forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I go see you on for our next video. Some mothers, they very cruel and wicked. Some mothers, where they see them, you go to say na real mama, but na winch dey their body. E get one mama, she don't go assault her daughter, all because of say waiting. She say make this girl brush her teeth. The girl, you know how small pikin go they do now, they go they do stubbornness. If you see as this woman twist this pikin hand, twist am, one break am like say she dey wash mama, they rotate am, rotate am. Make na watch video of how this mama take beat this pikin. Una don see as this mama, so mama wicked oh. And this one na they talk say, now this woman even born this pikin. No be say na their house girl, no be anything like that. So person go just dey wicked because of saying one brush. Now by force to brush teeth. In teeth no dey smell, now leave her. Now small pikin. And some people say they talk say pikin they very stubborn. Yes, we know say some pikin they very stubborn. But in this case, me I see and say this woman just they put out her frustration. All the wahala wey dey her life, now she just pop for this girl body. She won't break the girl bone. No. Una see the video now. As she turn am, come use her hand, still give am jacking on top of the thing. This mama too wicked. And some people they even talk say they don't even receive more than this kind of beating. Say this one a home training. Which kind of home training be for this kind of small pikin? This girl never even assure herself say she not go even don't reach 5 years old. Now they beats like this. That means if you can't get pikin will be like 20 or be 15 years, you go don't use knife, kill her. And this one they talk, her neighbor say, not be only even this girl she dey do am for, say all her pikin. Now so she dey beat them. The worst part now, the day where you go over offend her, she go carry knife, cut you. In fact, they inflict pain. I don't know how she want to do am. I don't see where somebody go use blade, cut him pikin, pour pepper, say, he wants me body dey pepper am. We sure say we'll be human being for this life. We sure say as we dey, as God create us, no be devil come remold us, bring us out. Because this woman thing shock me. She call the talk in her home training. Which kind of home training be this one? As it be me, I find. Make police go find this woman because this kind of thing is no good. If you know say your husband don't vex you, maybe the husband no even maybe the husband don't leave her. Now that vex, maybe the pikin self can't go resemble him papa, carry the papa nose, carry papa ear. As she they see the pikin, now so vex go they catch and say, hey, this man do me this one. I make her come do this kind of thing for the pikin. No? Because no be today. Even neighbors, person where they record this thing, they talk say, what's it make this girl no go come outside, go face the woman? You know how many times this girl don't go face this woman? This woman go cause her, tell her things where she don't even hear. Maybe now make she just leave the woman say anything we want do to your pikin. Do, but this girl nice still come out and say, make people find help, behind our police or behind our human rights people, may they come carry this pikin come out. Not be only all her children, because it be like say this woman gets coins coming for head. It be like say one nut don't lose, they don't mix and drop for one place for this woman. Because the way she they behave on top of her children, I don't understand. Fine, some pikin they stubborn. Give them punishment, make the thing end for there. This hand now, if this hand break, I beg you, who won't pay this money for hospital bill? Not be still you. I mean, you go talk say you no go treat this pikin. You go say 3 times now. So wetin come be the essence of what this kind of pain and suffering? Anything where they do ya, keep am aside, put them for one place. Not be this pikin put you in problem for your life, oh. Not be this pikin, as you know say you know one born, you go use protection. No go do the thing, enjoy and finish. Come born pikin talk say, na person nine do you. Nobody send you message. Now you decide say you want born boys, you want born girls. You can't bring them finish. Come now, you can't they behave like person where something they worry. This kind of matter they really vex me because all this kind of thing. You know if say na abroad now. This pikin if even go report to this mama and they go arrest them. But in Nigeria, this one happen. Everybody they talk say, say they don't feel beat pikin again. They don't feel correct pikin. Yes, you feel beat pikin, but nobody say go turn the pikin hand say you won't break them because of brushing of teeth. Unless say another thing dey wey this pikin do, na dey beat am like this. Cane dey there. Use cane try make him open him hand, flog am. And I make kids, children of nowadays, if you notice, they fear their mama. They fear because they know they fit tell their parents things. Something go do them. I mean, somebody go even do that. So they don't go fit tell their mama because they look say, if I tell my mama now, my mama go even come beat me, join them. They don't go find, they know they're free to talk to their parents because every time their mama they vex. Mama go put anger before you go talk this one. They don't carry slippers. Use and throw you for where you dey. All this our parents making they calm down, I beg. Making her calm down well. Because all these kind of things when they do, now they see I'm saying na home training. The pikin fit grow now, go look and say, my mama do me this one. My mama wicked me. That wickedness now, she'll come put them on top of her own pikin again. For pikin, we don't even know anything. No even know us. As you even take born her, she don't even send you message. You come they pour ordinary beating and suffering on top of this pikin. I beg you, this kind of thing, it dey very wrong. And if now people where they even do it for people, children where they go carry come their house, they will collect them, say, they won't turn them to house girl. They go carry them, go school. They no go do anything. So they go they maltreat them, these people, children. I beg, make now stop this kind of attitude. Especially women. Women, they very wicked with this kind of acts. And they sabi do all this kind of thing. Meanwhile, they even talk. I know people where they always do them. I beg, go make now they calm down. Relax. No matter what pikin go do you. Give them punishment. Or if you want flog them for hand. Don't go break person pikin neck. Talk say you dey train them. If the pikin die, and see you go prison. And people, nobody go support you. Nobody go even bail you because the two way you go do, people go even use them against to say you be winch. Anyway, now so I bring this matter. Anything when I feel about this matter will happen, make a write down for the comment section. Then make no come forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for our next video.